2021 Wolf Pup 17JG. How to install new lights in the slide out, replacing the puck lights. The puck lights screw clockwise to come off. The puck light with the switch in the center. Then there are 3 screws holding the light in. You're going to remove those screws and the light will come right out. After you take the 3 screws out, the little puck light wires go up into the hole. Inside the hole is, I call them quick connects. Just work them out, pull them out. You'll see there's white and red and white. Red and white is the black wire. Just flip the little tab and the wire comes right out. Okay, then you take the quick connects off. Put the new light bracket through. Like that. Oh, and before you start, I should have said this at the beginning, disconnect all power from the trailer. The main 30 amp plug and the battery disconnect. Okay, put the quick connect on the wire, close the clip, put the other wire in the quick connect, close the clip. Okay, that was the red and white. Red and white is the black. Then we'll do the double white. I'm gonna do that and come back. Okay, I got both of the quick connects connected, white and white, red and white, red and white, which is the black. Now I'm gonna screw this to the ceiling and I'll be back. Okay, the bracket from the new light is screwed to the ceiling with the factory wiring coming through the center hole of the new bracket. Okay, that's the fan light switch. It's a switch for a house fan light. Okay, and on the new light, you're going to drill a 3/8 inch hole in the side of the mount. I'm going to do that and come back. 3/8 inch. Okay, I'm back. 3/8 inch hole drilled in the side. Now you're going to install the fan light switch in the hole. Okay, I stuck it through the hole, putting the cap on. Okay, that's tight. Now you're going to take either one of these black wires and attach it to the black wire from the light. So we're going to attach it to that, and we're going to use a wire nut, orange. Okay, I'll be back. One black wire from the switch is connected to the black wire from the light, the new light. That's a 3/8 inch hole drilled in. Now we're going to take the other black wire from the switch and the white wire from the light, and we're going to put it in the speed connector clip. I'm going to do that and come back. Okay, the black wire goes to the red and white. The white wire goes to the white wires. Now we're going to take the light and put all the wires in and screw it into the side. Okay, I have the wires stuck up in there and the light against the ceiling. Have to install this screw and the screw on the other side. I have the new light screwed to the bracket on the ceiling, wires tucked in. There's the other one. And pull the switch and the light comes on. Any questions, let me know. And save the puck light you took out for a replacement for any of the other puck lights. Okay, don't forget, disconnect all power before doing this. Okay, bye.